here at the Maryland Magrum Center at CSUN, and today's recipe for our Pantry Delight's, we're going to be making tuna pasta salad utilizing canned ingredients, and here are the things we'll be using. Let's get started. All right, so the ingredients we're going to be using is half a cup of canned tuna in water, 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of drained canned cannellini beans, 1/4 cup of drained sweet peas. We're gonna have a 1/4 cup of dry pasta, which will be half a cup of cooked pasta, lemon juice, and olive oil. Step is going to be cooking our dry pasta according to the package's instructions. While our pasta is cooking, we're going to add our drained tuna, our drained beans, and our drained peas. So once our pasta is cooked, we put it in our bowl with all of our other canned ingredients, and now we're going to add fresh spinach. We really pack that cup in there. And maybe a tablespoon of lemon juice, which I'm going to squeeze using this half a lemon. Try not to get any seeds in there. And then we're also going in with a tablespoon of olive oil. Ready? And then mix. And then you can season with salt and pepper to taste. And then you're set. Tuna pasta salad.